evening friends. Welcome to my channel Nifty से आगे. Friends, today I am making this special video about what SEBI has done with respect to margins and what would be its implication. Friends, SEBI used to give 4x leverage to intraday traders right in the beginning of this year, and as time passed, SEBI has made a rule that the leverage of 4x will be reduced to only x, which means retailer was earlier allowed 25% margin, which means 4 times leverage was given by SEBI, and many brokers were giving 5 to 20 times leverage also to the intraday traders. Now, from the month of June, the margin which you used to pay for positional, which is around 1.4 lakh, now for intraday from June, you would be paying close to 1 lakh rupees for intraday trading of one lot of option. So friends, already from June, the margin for intraday will be 75% of the margin of positional trade, which means there is hardly any difference left in margins for intraday or overnight trade. And friends, from September, the margin required for one lot of option trading on intraday basis will be equal to what is required for the positional trading. Now friends, SEBI has a very peculiar explanation of this situation, and obviously this has been welcomed by the large players, and very logically so, because see, large players have no issue when it comes to investing money. It is the small retail investor who was making a reasonable earning out of intraday leverage will be affected very badly because of this rule which SEBI has come with. SEBI has an explanation that they were giving 4x leverages, but the brokers were giving 20x leverages, 10x leverages to their clients, and as a result, the retail investors were making substantial losses. They were leveraging their trades dangerously, especially without much knowledge of price action, also without having a proper idea of the market, and also making trades sentimentally more and more leveraged and making losses every day. This is the explanation given by SEBI. Friends, I find it very amusing, the explanation given by the SEBI, because see friends, if a trader is indisciplined, if he has lack of knowledge, if he is sentimental, emotional, he is doing trading recklessly in intraday and making losses, is this the reason that you should penalize all the retail traders who are doing intraday trading in the market? It is like, a school saying to its students that see, X number of students are indisciplined, they are careless, they study less, so they will not be allowed to come to the school from tomorrow. Or maybe the fee for such students will be 4 times the fee paid by good students. Is it a logical thing? Would anybody welcome it? And friends, one more point I want to make, that in a country where you have chit funds operating almost in every state, you have this IPL apps, Rummy apps all over the place, lotteries also going on in many states. Is it not destroying the retailers' money? Is it not destroying their capital? Are these not ways and means of people getting addicted? Careless people will always find their way out into some other thing, whether it is cryptocurrency, whether it is lottery or anything else, to destroy their capital. But that should not be, in my opinion, the reason for penalizing the traders who are getting 4x margins, who are traders with a small investment making a livelihood out of trading intraday. It is a very big, severe blow to such traders, friends. And somewhere I sense the decision of SEBI seems to be favoring the large players. To me, it seems, I may be wrong, to me, it seems it is a ploy to keep the retail trader out of intraday or make his returns so minuscule that he is not interested in the intraday trade. So, friends, such a rule by SEBI is actually against the interest of retail traders only, and obviously it will be welcomed by the large players. Now, as we know, the large players or the large institutions will not raise their voice against this rule. In fact, they would come out in praise of such rule and say that it is very good for retail investors, for their safety. All this they will be saying. But friends, frankly, if you think, when a retailer was getting 4x margin, if the retailer is disciplined, if he is well informed, if he is working out his strategy very well, then where is the need to penalize him? If few fishes in the pond are bad, that doesn't mean you will say the pond is bad. That is what I feel SEBI seems to be saying. To me, it seems it is a very unfair decision and a rule of SEBI which has come, and we as retailers, through our different forums and groups, should raise our voice against this rule so that SEBI may be forced to make a rethink. See, friends, any decision from SEBI are decisions of the finance ministry, decisions of the financial institutions of the country who are making decision for the country. So, friends, in my opinion, if you can run the IPL apps, if you can run Rummy and Teen Patti apps, if you run lotteries in this country, then I don't think the 4x leverage of margin which you are giving was very unjustified, that now you would charge 100% margins for intraday trade. Friends, 100% margin in intraday trade would mean that if you were making a position, one lot of options, if you are selling, then you were paying around 70,000. Now for that you have to pay around 1,40,000. And in a situation where VIX is high, you were paying 80 to 90,000 intraday. Now you have to pay 1,80,000. Friends, it is a very big blow to the retailers who work with small investment, who are always in need of margin. In a way, you are forcing such retailers to invest in shares and other securities and then take a collateral for which also their broker is going to charge them 18%. It is like saying that you are getting a facility from an institution, the facility is withdrawn, and now you have to take loan, and on the loan you have to trade and you have to pay 18%, or I don't know, there might be variable charges by many brokers, but as far as I know, 18% you have to pay for that collateral also, for the securities which you own. So it's all in all, it seems to be a very unfair decision by SEBI. I request all my friends to raise their voice against this. And friends, in such a scenario, it is very important that we get into hedged strategies to make money every day, friends. And hedged strategies which I use will involve margins of 70 to 80,000 only for a positional trade, positional weekly trade, or an intraday trade, even in the coming time. So, friends, if you want to join my group, which I am running for explaining and hand holding into this strategy, which can give you good, decent weekly returns on employing a small margin, smaller than what is required otherwise. So, if you are interested to join my group, you can WhatsApp me at 90739 15315. I repeat the number 90739 15315. I would let you know the terms and conditions. I would handhold you into the strategy. I will make you confident in the strategy so that week after week, lifelong, you can earn money on a margin which is much lower, so that your returns are yields are high, friends. So, friends, I again appeal to each retail investor to raise his voice through appropriate forums or groups to the SEBI that we should get 4x margins again. That is something which the retail investor, retail traders require in the market. Thank you, friends, for watching the video. If you like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channels. COVID is not yet over, friends. The fight with COVID is on. Keep yourself safe, keep your loved ones safe, follow all the safety protocols, and be safe, friends. Thank you very much.